This is Home Office Mommy Magazine.com, bringing you somewhere close to 60 seconds of a mommy minute. I'm Adelaide Zimler. Yep, I have been coaching parents of young children for about 12 years before my youngest was born. And I want to share with you where it all got started. Well, at least where I first became aware that I had an unusual gift. You know, some are in authority because they are appointed. But you're going to see soon enough, if you hang with me, that the gift that I've been given with the work of these hands is anointed. So there I was with just a bachelor's degree, fresh out of college. And the only job I could find was working in a program that they called a perinatal substance abuse program for parents and children. And what that all fancy stuff means is simply this: parents who were struggling spiritually and emotionally in their lives were using substances while they were pregnant. Alcohol, drugs, you name it. All kinds of behaviors to try and drown out the pain they were feeling. And this wasn't because they sought out to hurt their children, but it was because they didn't know how to overcome their own deficits. And so one day, the clinicians, the heads of the program, came to me and asked if I would help them with a parent that they had labeled severely depressed. And just so you know, this story is one that is described in the stimulus package that I've developed, and the journal portion of it is called 30 Days to Home Office and Parenting Success. And clearly they saw something, because severe depression is a little deep. They couldn't reach this woman, and about that same time, her child, 18-month-old, who wasn't talking yet, bit a peer in that classroom so hard that we couldn't stop the bleeding, and the child had to be taken to the ER. And the emergency room doctor, when he saw the level, the extent of the damage, he said, "What dog did this?" You see, that man could not believe that an 18-month-old female child could bite with that level of Cujo. Do children have that kind of anger in them? Oh my gosh, yes. Scientists are telling us now that they've identified what's called infant depression. Get out. So, because I was naive and brand new, fresh out of college, I ran to my alumni. I ran to Children's Hospital. I ran to every authority that I had been told about in the county of San Diego. And the response to me was, wow, I wish you luck. We've never heard of or worked with anybody that young. So, well, I'll save the bottom line for you, because I need you, if you want to move to higher ground, to get the Parent Home Office Stimulus Package yourself, and you'll get to see what resulted from that. But, well, I'll tell you, it's worth a read. So, if you're looking to move to higher ground, if you're curious, at all curious about whether I'm telling the truth, whether there's something to the concept of totally rejecting negative labels and reconsidering adult designer manner meds, could there be a viable alternative for those who are spirit-led? I invite you to join me, because there's more where this came from. This has been Home Office Mommy Magazine.com, bringing you somewhere near 60 seconds of a mommy minute. I'm Adelaide Zimler.